Um, Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a game on Flippity. So first thing you would do is go to flippity.net. When you log in, or you don't have to log in, but when you get on the website, you will see all of these different games. So this is a great website to use when you're wanting to create a game for your students. They have certificates you can make, they have self-assessments you can make, lots of things on here that are great to use and to integrate within your classroom for all of your students. Games are a great way to get students engaged, for them to retain information, to review information. So, and who doesn't love a good game? So, what we're going to do is we are going to pick one of these games, and I'm going to teach you how to create your own and make it your own. So let's just do right here this Flippity quiz show. So you would click instructions, and it's going to give you step-by-step instructions on how to create the game. So it says to step 1, you got to modify the Google spreadsheet template. So in Google Sheets, this is how you will make it your own. Put your own questions, your own answers, your own point values. This is how you kind of spice things up, make it to how it would best fit the needs of your students in your classroom. You do have to have a Google account to be able to do this. So if you do not have a Google account, you need to create that first before you get started on Flippity. So we'll click this link right here. It's going to take us to another tab where we are going to make a copy. Okay, once in, you have the exact template that you need to get started. All you will do is you can change it to how it best fits you. So I'm going to make this say, because I teach science, so I'm going to have science review quiz show game. So that's what I'm going to choose to title mine. Once again, this is completely up to you. You put this to how it best fits the needs of your classroom. So my category 1, I'm going to do, we'll say the water cycle. Category 2, I can create plant cells. Category 3, I can create as animal cells. 4, photosynthesis. And if I only want those 4 categories, then I can just come through, click G, hold down the Shift key, and also click H, and just hit the delete button. And this will completely get rid of those categories. So you can just focus on categories 1 through 4. Oh, I missed F. So we'll do the same thing with F. We'll push cut on that as well. Okay, so right here, so the water cycle, we're going to change our question. So when you double click on it, it highlights that box. Right here, I will put the process of water falling back to earth. I'm going to put the correct answer, double click it, highlights it. This is precipitation. My next question, what are the different forms of precipitation? My answer, rain, sleet, hail, and snow. Simple. So you just do this all the way through until you have everything how you want it. But because of a time crunch here, I'm going to move on to the next step. But this is how you would do this entire game board. So once you're done, you have everything how you want it. Click down here to where it says get the link here. Once you click here, you have a specially formulated link to use that you can send out to your students that you can put to create the game, because if you put this up, the kids are going to see everything. So go ahead, click on your link, opens up a new tab, and you can project this to your class, whether it be through Smartboard, Promethean board, just a projector onto a whiteboard. But this is how they would get going. So you would set your students up into teams 1, 2, 3, and 4. however you want to decide. So you can usually say the team with the youngest player goes first, and then you can go in a clockwise formation. Or you can have them separate into favorite colors. Whoever's favorite color is blue, your team won. Many ways that you can organize your classroom. I'm having a little trouble with my internet here, but these are your categories. So how we listed the water cycle would be here. Plant cells was here. So all of those that we created will be listed across the top. Let's say team 1 wants to know the 100-point question for the water cycle. You would click that. And I'm sorry, my internet's struggling, but it would pop up here. They would give you their answer. If it's correct, you'd push the check mark and they would get a point. So I hope this helps. This is a great way to utilize games within the classroom. If you have any questions and need further instructions, feel free to email me. Thank you.